Little storyteller.
Leo lived in a little house by the big blue sea. He loved to watch the waves in the boats. One sunny morning, while playing on the beach, Leo saw something very big moving slowly in the water. It was a giant sea turtle. Its shell was like a bumpy brown island, and its big green eyes looked kind and gentle. The turtle swam closer and said in a deep, rumbling voice, "Hello, little one. My name is Sheldon." Leo was a little shy, but very excited. "I'm Leo," he replied. Sheldon smiled, a wide, wrinkly smile. "Would you like to see the Straits of Malacca, Leo? I know all the best places." Leo's eyes went wide. "Really, can I?" Sheldon nodded. Carefully, Leo climbed onto Sheldon's smooth, sturdy shell. It felt like sitting on a floating rock. And just like that, their adventure began. Sheldon swam slowly and steadily through the clear blue water. Leo looked down and saw colorful fish darting amongst the coral. They passed by old sunken ships, their wooden frames covered in seaweed and tiny shiny barnacles. It was like swimming through a secret underwater world. Soon they reached a busy harbor. Big ships with tall masts were loading and unloading colorful containers. The air was filled with the sounds of seagulls and the cheerful calls of the sailors. Leo waved at them, and some sailors waved back with big smiles. As they continued their journey, they saw something amazing. A big group of dolphins with smooth gray skin leaped and played in the sparkling water. They made happy clicking and whistling sounds as they swam around Sheldon and Leo, their sleek bodies glistening in the sun. The day flew by in a swirl of wonderful sights and gentle waves. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in warm colors of orange and pink, Sheldon turned back towards Leo's home. Back on the beach, Leo hugged Sheldon's smooth neck. "Thank you, Sheldon," he said. "That was the best adventure ever." Sheldon smiled. "You are welcome, little friend. Remember, the ocean is full of amazing things to see if we take our time and are kind to its creatures." As Sheldon swam away, Leo remembered something important the dolphins did. They always stayed together and helped each other swim fast. Leo learned that working together can make any journey more fun and easier.
Please subscribe. Thank you.